Hello everyone! Today I will show you how we can create some website on WordPress. Okay, WordPress is a platform to create any website is with the simple things like a drag and drop for the components. Okay, let me start. So our website, Sophia High School website, was constructed on WordPress too. So it's very beautiful website, have a lot of things. We have forms, we have videos, all of these things. Okay, so let's see how we can start creating our first website. So first of all, let's go to wordpress.com. wordpress.com. Okay, let's go to this web page. Okay, WordPress, and then you can log in. Okay, let's create one account. Here you can see create new account. Okay, let's create one. Let me create it with my, you can create it with your Sophia High School email, or with Apple login, or even with your email. Or with your email. And then I will put one email. My here, let me create an email I want. Okay, create account. In this step, you can choose your own domain. For example, sophiahigh.school or Sophia app or any other domain you want, right? So you can just click here, choose my domain later, because we don't need to worry about this right now. Click here. For now, let's start with the free edition, right? Start with free. The difference between free and pay versions, you can do more things, you don't see advertising, you don't see live chat or plugins. I will explain how works the plugins later, okay? But for now, let's choose free. Let's create this one. Perfect. Continue. This one. And then let's choose the theme for your WordPress. Someone is premium, you have to pay, okay? But a lot of themes are free. So depend of your product, what you're interested in, you just need to choose your whatever you like. Okay, let me check one good one. Let me choose, let's say this one. Okay, I like this one. You can see here free. Okay, and then when you click here, you can choose the styles. You see the difference between the fonts here. When I click here, it's a little different. It's a little different. Okay, let's choose this one and continue. Okay, this is important thing. For now, we just need to use the free version, right? This is the one, free domain for 1 year, premium, etc. And then let's decide later. Okay, click here. Okay, perfect. And then you can see here the name of your website, right? Is a part of my email.wordpress.com. Okay, but you can customize later. You can choose other domains. See, domain. Let's say if you want to create a good domain for your product or for your pages, right? You can customize this later. And then just launch your site. When you click here, okay, this is your dashboard, your control panel to creating pages, to creating posts, to put videos, everything. Okay, so remember our domain, right? So here you can see site title and your domain. If I copy here and open website, this is my link, okay, my URL. If I click here, I can see my website is done. You can customize now. You can change the background, you can change the images, you can change the menu, you can create more pages, more posts, everything, right? So first of all, let's change this title, because here I can see site title. This don't make sense. So let me change here. You can see edit site on this click button. Okay, this is the design. Site title here. Back. You can see here, give your site a name, right? When you click here, you can put anything. You see, when you see here site title is exactly like will show here on the website. So let me put here my first website. Save. When I save here and refresh this page, you can see my first website. You see, step by step. And then you can change the icon. This little icon here is the default one for WordPress. So let's change. And then it's just upload some images or browse for free images. Let me browse something. Let me look in here, for example, product, any product. Okay, let's choose, let's choose one good one. No, let me looking for computing. Okay, let me choose this one. I like this. When I click here, and then I can continue. So this little icon is with the square format, right? And then you can position it correctly for this one. You can adjust this little thing like this, yeah, and then done. Just click on this button, done. Okay, you can see here now. And then let's refresh again the web page. Okay, you see this little icon will change. So this is not very clear icon. So let's change again. Let me make some search here. For example, good icon for my website. Okay, let me click here. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. Green one, little happy face, world. It's very, very good. So let me get the first one. Okay, I like this one. So let's save this file. Save image as. Let me put on the desktop. Okay. It's here on my desktop. And then let's change again here. Change, add new. See the icon I download. Perfect. Now I just need to adjust this little thing. Okay, and done. See? Site icon. Now I will refresh again this web page here, and then check this out. Much better. You see, it's a little icon, but much better. Now let's start to change this web pages. I can see here on the menu pages. Okay, pages. I can see this little default page about is exactly this one. Okay, but let's create another one. Add new page. Add new page. Okay, so now you can use some template like these beautiful ones. Check this: gallery, services, contact. See, to creating a good forms, including with map. Coming soon. Let me get one beautiful one. Blog, no. Store, no. Text. Okay, so let me get some one. Let me choose, let's say, okay, let me get this one, anyone. Okay, so now you can change anything you want. For example, this is my product, and then you can see when you pass through your mouse between the components, right? Like this I'm doing, you can see this little plus signal. Okay, so this is mean you need to add some block in the middle. Okay, like this one here, here, etc. Okay, so let me first of all change this. And then this is a high performance laptop. I want to sell for 200 pounds. Okay, something like this. And then when I click here, I can replace my image, right? For example, let me upload any other image. So first of all, let me search for another one. Laptops. Laptops, let me get any image here. Let me get this one. I can save my image. And then I can upload this image here. See, I'm downloading this image and now I will upload to my website. Boom, just that. So you can do exactly the same thing for all of the images. You can delete it. You can, that's deleted, this one, and then delete it again. I want to put more text. For example, for description of this product. Okay, let me here, for example, plus, and then when you click plus, you can see these tools, right? You can group, paragraph, more images, gallery, etc. And then you can see browse all, right? When you click here, you can see all of the tools available. It's huge amount of tools. Okay, let me get, for example, paragrapher, media, design, widgets, posts. Let me look in here, search by text. Paragraph heading. Let me put, for example, let me check this one. Let me check, for example, details. Let's put paragraph. Okay, let's create some paragraph here. Let me put, for example, here, and then you can start to type. Let me put here laptop with high performance, and then I can, for example, like this, one processor, 32 gigabytes of memory, 2 terabyte of storage, screen 13 inches. Okay, and then you can start to organize all of your content for your website. Okay, let me publish this again. You have to publish, right? Otherwise it's a draft, no one can see this page. So let's click here on publish. Perfect. And then you have this button here, view page, right? Because your first page is this one. If I refresh, you cannot see this last page you created, right? And then you can click here, view page. See, this is your page you creating right now. Okay, this is the link, directly link. You see, this is my product. Okay, so now let's go back, and then you can see pages here. You see the page you're creating right now and the main one. Suppose you want to put this page as a default for your website. Okay, let's go to settings here, right, on your menu, reading. You can see reading here, this option, and then you can see your home page display. Which page you can choose, the page you're creating right now or the default one. Let's put this I'm creating right now. Okay, this is my product, and save. Okay, now when I refresh this page here, boom, the page you're creating, it's in your website. Okay, perfect, you got it. You creating your first website with WordPress for free. Okay, so for the next lesson I will explain to you how you can start to install plugins inside. Okay, and creating videos and creating podcasts and everything. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video on Sophia High School. Bye, see you on the next lesson.